So stall and stall and stall and stall. And you should be back where you started. Right hand overhand, left hand underhand. And we're gonna go into the butterfly turnaround. So turn 360 to the right, come into butterfly, right take out, left hand into underhand butterfly, right take out again. You're back where you were. Now go 180 more, turn to the right, to the front of butterfly, and then one more time. Right poi to the side. Now spread your legs again. We'll stall 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Left poise overhand, right poise underhand. Come into overhand butterfly on the front. Thread the needle. Plane shift it up. Bring it up over your head. Then we're going to take the right poi, come down, tap on your butt, come into counterclockwise corkscrew. Make it together time. Come underneath your legs. Turn with it and then up and over. We'll come down and turn with it again. Under the leg. And we'll do it a 3rd time. And then one last time, 4th time. Come back to the front clockwise corkscrew. And we're going to go under the leg. So we'll do that 3 times. Under the leg, around, and up and over, and down, under the legs, and around. And then one more time, under the leg, and around. Come up over the head, come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, split the time, bring it up, plane shift it up, plane shift it up, plane shift it up. We'll go big 3 times. 3, and 2, and 1. And now we're going to do a 360 to the right. Now go into together time pinwheel and move to the right. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do on this 4th one, down, stall, kick, change direction, come the other way, and go 3 left. 1, and 2, and 3. Down, stall, kick, change direction the other way, and 3, and 2, and 1. Down, stall, kick on this 4th one, change direction, and to the left. Last time. 3, and 2, and 1. Down, stall, kick to the left. Come up into counterclockwise, split the time, turn left to overhand weave, open it up again, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left, stall right, stall left. Now we're in overhand, keep it split time, go into the giant, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to turn to the right to underhand giant, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn left to overhand giant for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn right to underhand for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn left for 2, 1, 2. Turn right for 2, 1, 2. Turn left for 2, 1, 2. Turn right for 2, 1, 2. And now we'll swivel for 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. Come up into the pinwheel, come into the overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, last time to the right and underhand, open it up, and let's do underhand caps for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now we're going to turn to the left all the way around, come back into the underhand cap, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And we're going to do a turn to the right, back to the underhand cap, and now we're doing 1 and 2. Now turn left, and then we'll do 2 and 1, and turn to the right, back to the underhand cap. Now bring it into the underhand weave, and now we're going to open it up to circles on the side, wrap it up, short poi, bring it into underhand buzzsaw. Then take your right poi, tap it on your back. We're in overhand with the right, underhand with the left, ready for the Sparky special. Here we go. And taps, buzzsaw, taps, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw. 4 more taps, 3 more taps, 2 more taps, and last tap. And then from here, bring the left one over the top. You've got 2 circles in underhand opposite. Release the full length, bring it into the butterfly. Come into your hip reel. And then I want you to take both poi back to the butterfly, then drop stall. Now we're going to turn to the left with this stall. So you're going to step right, come over the top with both arms, and step right, come over the top, step right, come over the top, step right, come over the top, and then bring both poi down, and then come into underhand, and we're going to repeat that. So wrap up the poi, come into underhand circles, bring it into underhand buzzsaw. We're going to tap the right poi. Now we're going to do 4 taps instead of 8 this time. So tap and buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw. Take the left one over the top, release it down, come into underhand butterfly, go into your hip reel, bring it back to the butterfly. Then we're gonna drop stall and step and turn left, and again, and third turn, fourth turn, bring both poi down. We'll repeat the whole thing. Your underhand, wrap it up, come into underhand buzzsaw, tap the right poi on your back, and then 4 taps and buzzsaw, 3, 2, and last one, come into the buzzsaw, left comes over the top, release to full length, come into the underhand butterfly, then go into the hip reel, then come back to the butterfly. We're gonna drop stall, now we're gonna turn left foot 4, over the top, over the top, over the top, and over the top. Woo! That's a good ending.